Guys, look at this point. Moving average rebound, very useful. Time to upward. Hello, what's up trader? Welcome to my new video. Today Bitcoin is rallied a bit on Tuesday to pierce to the $32,000 level. There was a very impulsive candlestick on Monday, but it should be noted that Tuesday was very quiet. This is interesting considering that institutional traders were not involved in the Monday candlestick. So that may have been Bitcoin taking advantage of a lack of liquidity. Either way, we are still in very bearish market. So a rally will more likely than not struggle to maintain any type of momentum. The 50-day EMA sits at the $34,000 level and is sloping lower. This suggests to me that we could see dynamic resistance come into the picture rather quickly, offering future bearish pressure. Granted, this has been a good couple of days, and most certainly the $30,000 level will probably offer a bit of psychology when it comes to support. However, I just don't see this market changing rapidly because there is no real use for Bitcoin at the moment. Yes, you will hear people on forums talking about I just bought several things with Bitcoin yesterday, but that nonsense. That does not look to be very likely, so I believe we will continue to see a lot of risk aversion, which is like kryptonite for the Bitcoin market. Because of this, I'm looking for signs of exhaustion that I can start shooting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future Bitcoin and stock market predictions. See you next time.